Hi everyone! So as you can tell by the title, this video is all about how to become more confident in your artwork. Now look, I would be a total hypocrite if I didn't tell you that I struggle with this on a daily basis. There are so many talented people out there. It's easy to feel lost in an endless sea of amazing, creative people. But maybe you are an amazing and talented person too. Just saying. So here are some tips I have for helping you feel better about your artistic journey. Number 1. Take a picture of your piece with your phone. Looking at your piece compressed and at a distance can help you gain some perspective on how your artwork really looks. Everything looks better when you make it smaller. Haven't you ever had the experience when you see a painting you really like in person, and when you see it up close, you're like, ah. It's like seeing where the sausage is made. Ain't nobody want to see where the sausage is made. Anyway, use this to look at your work in a different way and with fresh eyes. Number 2, look at some of your old work. Bust out the high school portfolio or scroll down to see some of your first posts on Instagram. After that first wave of cringe subsides, really look at your work. You're either going to see how much you progressed over the years, or you're going to look back on that work and say, it really wasn't that bad. Either way, it's a good thing to reflect on your journey and remind yourself that even if you have a long way to go, you've been a long way too. Number 3, look at people who are worse than you. This sounds shady and I don't mean it to be, or do I? But seriously, look at work by artists who are a little bit less experienced than you now. It helps remind you of how far you've truly come. But also, when you can recognize the charm and the beauty in a less skilled artist's work, you can see that your work can also be beautiful and meaningful, even if it's not the most technically proficient. It's your individual voice that matters, not how photorealistic you can make something look. Art is supposed to move us, not make us feel inadequate or undeserving of our own individual rights to express ourselves creatively. Number 4, Yolo. Life is short. If you touch one person in your whole career by one piece of your artwork, that should be enough, right? And what if that person is just you? Why do you make art? Is it because you're making millions of dollars from it and you just can't give up that lifestyle? If so, good for you. Or is it because something inside you needs to make art? Don't deny yourself something so fundamentally important to your soul just because you don't think you're good enough. Life will go on with or without your art, but I promise it's a better world with your art in it. Share your tips for being more confident about your artwork below. Like I said, I need the boost too, and I want to have a community here where we can share our struggles and our successes. And let me know what else you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.